What must you do to make sure new silicone adheres properly to the tub and tile? Start by removing every trace of the old silicone and any contaminants, then prepare the surface for full adhesion. Use a dedicated silicone removal tool or a rigid plastic scraper to lift and cut out cured beads, followed by a single-edge razor held flat to shave stubborn residue. Avoid aggressive metal tools that score tile or glaze. After mechanical removal, wipe the joint with isopropyl alcohol on a clean, lint-free cloth to remove oils, soaps, and invisible residues left by cleaners and hands. Repeat until the cloth comes away clean. Inspect for trapped water in gaps and dry with a clean rag and a hairdryer on low heat, while keeping the area ventilated so trapped moisture evaporates. If you see condensation form, keep drying until it stops. Do not use soapy water, household detergents, or tile cleaner as your final wipe because residues interfere with silicone chemistry. Mask both sides with painter's tape for a tight profile and smooth tooling line. Apply the silicone in a continuous bead and tool once to bed and flatten the bead while the sealant is still tacky. 3 common problems are incomplete residue removal, residual moisture, and contamination from cleaners or fingers, and each has a simple fix. If old silicone residue remains, it will prevent bonding. So use the right removal tools and follow with alcohol until completely clean. If the joint holds water or feels damp, dry it thoroughly with an absorbent cloth and a hairdryer, checking inside gaps where water hides. If soap, polish, or hand oils are present, they will break the cure of new silicone. So always finish prep with isopropyl alcohol and avoid touching the bond face after cleaning. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and post-project needs so they can get accurate estimates and timeline ideas related to tub and tile work. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and our site includes an active discussion community where users and professionals share preparation tips, tool recommendations, and real-world experiences.